It's been, I don't know, 2 weeks plus. Nothing is being posted because I'm in a mess right now. Too much of decluttering and renovation, and I don't know. More than that's happening outside is happening in my mind. So yeah, it's tough. So it's just crazy. So I hopefully work will start from today. A little bit of renovation here and there. But nothing is happening much on the exercise front or the dance front. My choreographer is busy eating. उसको फुर्सत ही नहीं है खाने से।
इससे पहले के टेक में भी यही दिखाया था।
This is the 24th take और अभी तक ये खा ही रहा है। तो सोचो कितने सैंडविचेस खा गया होगा।
उस हिसाब से मैं मोटा होना चाहिए था।
मोटा तो सिर्फ दिमाग से है।
मस्त जोक मारा रे, ये हंस रहे हलकट हंस।
Nice one.
सूखा पूरा।
ओहो किसका फोन ये ब्लडी फोन डिस्ट्रैक्शन बहुत होती है लाइफ में।
बिजी गो। खुद की प्लेट छुपा के।
ये सब एडिट होने वाला है, तू काम की बात कर। हमारा ये साल में कुछ होने वाला है कि नहीं। लास्ट ईयर आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड लर्निंग डांस एट दिस टाइम, सो आई थिंक आई वाज नॉट रेडी। ही वाज गिविंग मी ऑल द बच्चू स्टेप्स, स्टेप लेफ्ट, स्टेप राइट, हैंड अप, हैंड डाउन, रोल अप डाउन लास्ट ईयर। और बोर कर दिया मेरे को इसने। 1 साल तक बोर करा है और 1 साल के लिए ऐसे लल्लू स्टेप सिखा रहा है ना मेरे को, और मेरे को बोर कर दिया हुआ इसने। ये साल हमारा कुछ होने वाला है।
करेंगे ना घबरा।
7th को है नवरात्रि, सो
कर सकते हैं ना। फिर भी 4-5 दिन में कर सकते हैं।
4 days में 4 days challenge, 4 days गरबा challenge,
4 days गरबा challenge.
Okay, cool. I found a name for my vlog. 4-day गरबा challenge. खाने के साथ 4.
वो सोचेंगे कि ये 4 खा रहा हूँ मैं।
ब्लडी शॉर्टकट मारता है यार ये एडिटिंग में।
सरते स्वाहा।
सिरते स्वाहा।
मिस थकेला। ओके बोल रहे 4 दिन में फिर करना है।
You are irritating. होएगा कि
आप क्या बोल रहे हो? होएगा कि नहीं?
4 days में it's not.
अभी मेरे को चैलेंज दिया था, मेरे को तो करना ही पड़ेगा।
Okay, so then this is his choreography challenge and my dance challenge. Okay then, let's see. We shall keep you posted.
Song.
Let's see. कौन सा सॉन्ग करना है?
ओके हम लोग देखते हैं कौन सा सॉन्ग करना है, एंड देन हम लोग जाते हुए प्रैक्टिस को। प्रैक्टिस के वक्त देखते हैं। सी यू गाइस।
प्लीज नॉट दैट ढकचिक बॉलीवुड। वो गंदा सा बीट वाला डांडिया म्यूजिक नहीं करना है। Shit, the recording already started. I didn't realize. Okay, so we've been hunting for the song.
This is our song.
Yeah, this song was actually suggested by somebody.
Yes.
Sounds like a nice beat. So I think we'll stick with this, है ना?
Yeah.
My choreographer also loved it.
I like it. Full folk वाली feeling दे रहा है।
Steps आते क्या? So guys, on a serious note, actually taking up that challenge, and I'm going to film it and see how far we get. Garba has generally been very close to my heart right from the beginning. I don't know why. May, June, July, August, September. So almost after 5 months of dancing, I'm trying to get back to dancing, and that to my favorite form. Let's see how far I get. So let's see where this goes. I'm gonna be in for all of that.
We're ready, guys. देखते कैसे नहीं होता।
पता नहीं क्या क्या कर रहा था।
Okay, so we are ready. अपने फर्स्ट स्टेप से शुरुआत करने के लिए day 1 and starting for Garba 4-day challenge, and this is day 1 session 1. See you guys.
After 20 minutes of choreography.
After 20 minutes of choreography. लगता है यार।
Practice. Yes.
See you guys. Right leg pointed 1. यहाँ पे यहाँ से dip जाएगा, dip and out. Okay, 5 6 7 go dip out. Right leg cross circle एक साथ. Circle under 5 6 7 go गरबा घूमे बस अभी आज सीधा 1 2
ये पूरा ऑन रखना है.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a bit.
So it's been how much?
1 hour.
1 hour of practice. Look at our faces. Show your fit.
मेरे को ये नहीं आती है, मेरे को ज़्यादा
He doesn't sweat.
sweat नहीं होता.
So bad.
दिन में डांस करते तो क्या sweat होगा?
Sweating like a pig. Okay. So 1 hour of practice up. Let's see where we've got.
Look at her.
It's too fast and it's too much to pick up in one day. I think.
पहला स्टेप इस गंदा करे.
कुछ बोल के क्या टाइम हो? पाना? for some
Okay, so we are done for today.
Okay guys, ready for day 2. Let's see how far we get today. Are we
Day
ready?
2. And it's 8:30 in morning.
Did a little bit of a warm up. Sweating already. I don't know how this is gonna go. Super challenging, I'm finding it from day 1. And this guy's increased the speed of the song. So it only makes a step faster. And he's busy choreographing it while I did my warm up. And let's see how this goes. And I don't even know if I remember any of the steps from yesterday. It's too quick. The last time we danced together, we practiced for 2 months. And then we shot a video. And from 2 months, it's come down to 4 days now. Having a tough time, but then I'm loving it.
It goes to 5 6 right. 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 बस आएगा. Okay, अगर थोड़ा सा आपको पास लग रहा है ये तो सामने से गलबे घूमने सारे up
More than 1 hour of practice, and it's exhausted me. और रुक ही नहीं रहा है. थोड़ा भी practice नहीं हो रहा है. सिर्फ आगे 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 के steps. He's racing to finish the choreography.
so that we can practice, right?
He's racing to finish the choreography and no practice of the last steps. So I'm forgetting everything.
कोरियोग्राफर का काम होता है.
I have learned.
कोरियोग्राफर का होता है कोरियोग्राफी. अब प्रैक्टिस किसने करना चाहिए?
So I'm going to practice a little more because I'm forgetting all the steps because I learned not 100 but कितने 30, 40, at least 40 new steps I've learned. And they're all a big jumble. So I have no idea. Not easy at all. Fast, slow, posture. Hey guys, day 3 and I'm a mess. Not able to focus, not able to concentrate. In the morning I came down to practice on my own and I was fully lost. No idea what I was doing and I wanted to cry because I was just not getting the steps. And the music was so fast that I was just not able to catch the beat. But trying to pick up.
Yeah, so this is day 3 and I think we are practicing from last 1 hour. So basically कल हमारा एक डे स्किप हुआ. शॉपिंग में गया which we जिसकी क्लिप्स हम लोग डाल देंगे but शॉपिंग के दिन वी कैंट शूट बिकॉज बारिश बहुत गंदी तरीके से हो रही थी, फुल ऑन फायर.
I have input. So day 1 and day 2 was very easy for me because he was doing all the work, teaching me the steps. Steps मैंने pick up कर लिए, लेकिन सुबह सुबह में कोरोना आ रहा था, क्योंकि मेरे को steps नहीं आ रहे थे.
अकेले प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी.
I was trying now to show you, to show off, but then
But still.
I fell flat. So now it's my turn, and I'm trying to catch the beach.
Yes.
Are we ready? And we tried to decorate the place like I showed you yesterday also when we were, and this is the morning scene. All our decorations have fallen down, sadly. So these are all the technical issues that we are facing. We'll also cover some of the work that's happening in the house, because of which all the delay. Hopefully is the last, I wouldn't say practice, but like a warm-up before we shoot. So hopefully we are targeting to shoot by noon. Between 12 and 1 we start shoot, so that we finish by 6 or 7. So let's see what we can cover today, and hopefully we shall shoot. So see you all dressed up.
Yes.
Hello! So we're getting ready now. I actually wanted to do a major shortcut, and I thought I'll just do my basic makeup and I'll just make a ponytail. Here I am, making my hairstyle. Woo. Hopefully
Excellent,
it
I need your help.
looks fine. Oh,
How's it? क्या हो रहा है? किधर भाग गया है?
ये देखो साइड परफॉर्मर आ चुका है.
पूरा वो कवर्ड हराना पड़ा.
कौन सा?
इनका वो व्हाइट वाला
क्यों?
क्यों?
उसके पीछे चला गया था
क्या?
कबूतर. Just DJ is fighting with it. But guys, मैं इसका वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा.
आया कैसे अंदर? तूने वीडियो लिया क्या कबूतर का?
Obviously, I'm a vlogger now.
Hazards of dancing with all this jewelry and dresses. So we are ready to shoot, and we're going to start now. All dressed up. Last minute के phone calls आ रहे हैं और हम तैयार हैं मैदान में उतरने के लिए.
So yeah, we are ready for the first take. हमारा DOP भी ready है. Okay, this is
We finished with all the shoots.
हमारा first time DOP कर रहा है, and let's see how the video comes. Till that, enjoy our video.
So we're almost 75% down the shoot. We finished 3 blocks and the last block to go, the dandiya part. Taking a chill out break. The cats are out, and Tanya is our all-in-one support system. She did my makeup, she did my hair, she did all this decoration yesterday, and incidentally she is also the DOP. Tanya, woo! at the end of the shoot. That's a wrap. How long we shot? How many hours was the shoot? Okay, we wrapped up the shoot in 4 hours. But that was good fun, and I have so much energy that I can do the whole thing all over again. So this was not a tiring shoot at all. Ooh, so that was great fun. And woke up in the morning and we did some editing and we just ate lunch. That's why I can't even sit up straight. So it was great fun learning the quick dance and performing it. I think I am fond of things that happen quickly and out with it, because I think the longer something takes, the more I lose interest in it. And I think this was really nice because it was short and sweet. But yeah, luckily steps are much easier now for me to pick up, but yet it's tough for me to multitask while dancing. I can focus on one dance, and then if I have to get into another one, it's tough. So it's just gonna keep me continue dancing and keep posting videos and keep making vlogs and record my progress and see if I get any better at it. But overall, it was great fun.
Whew. Okay, cool. So that was a good experience with Seher, and actually मेरा भी ये फर्स्ट चैलेंज था in 4 days. मेरे को लगा नहीं था कि it will be completed in 4 days. Actually not in 4 days, but yeah, technically practice सिर्फ 4 ही days किया हम लोगों ने. 5th day पे shoot. ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था, बिकॉज मेरे को याद है कि लास्ट टाइम जब हम लोगों ने शूट किया था वो प्रैक्टिस 2 महीने चला था हमारा, एक सॉन्ग का प्रैक्टिस विच वॉज अंग लगा दे, एंड उसके बाद सीधा 4 दिन पे ऐसा वीडियो का आउटपुट. आई डोंट नो आप सब लोगों को कैसा लगा वीडियो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उसका कमेंट प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल दो कि वीडियो कैसा लगा, जो कि इस वीडियो से पहले आउट हो चुका है. चेक इट आउट. एंड या सो basically it was a nice experience, and steps pick up fast थे steps अच्छे थे. I love the song suggestion also, and yeah, we'll try to bring something like that जो challenging रहे हमारे लिए भी और आपको देखने में मज़ा आए. So yeah,
And I can add in that so I want to add about the choreography. I think he's very chilled out and very chill. If I was choreographing the whole thing, for example, I think I would have been super hyper. I think he's just so chilled out and so cool. हो रहा है तो हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं हो रहा है. But it somewhere he still drives you to still perform and calm down.
so guys मंदिर की घंटी नहीं थी, actually खाना खा रहे थे हम लोग because we were super tired.
Yeah, and hungry.
Yeah.
So I was saying that he's like a super cool choreographer and very relaxed and no pressure, no stress, but yet he gets the best out of you. So, like that. ज़्यादा उड़ मत, धरती पे आ जाओ.
मुझे पर आ गए हैं. Signing out.
And great fun, and you will keep seeing more and more and more of these, whether you like it or not.
Yes.
See you.
Okay, so see you guys.
Yes,
in
in
our
the
next
Diwali vlog.
video.
Diwali vlog coming up
Diwali
soon.
vlog and next videos are lined up and will be coming soon. So yeah, see you guys. Till that, take care.